dog doesn't care if you're rich or poor, clever or dull, smart or dumb. A dog has no use for fancy cars or big homes or designer clothes. A waterlogged stick will do just fine. Give him your heart, and he'll give you his. How many people can you say that about? How many people can make you feel rare and pure and special? How many people can make you feel extraordinary?
Cloud, what are you doing, boy?
I hear the worry in his voice.
Still think you got one in you, boss dog.
Hey, it's nice.
Oh, Lance. I can smell the day on him. Motor oil, gasoline, and roast chicken.
Bailey, I would think.
And I'm Ethan. I'm the owner.
Good boy.
What happens when he becomes attached to that dog? Learns to love it.
I thought that was the general idea.
Boy,
You okay?
I never knew there might be such a thing as a boy.
Oh, Peter, I worried about you so.
I knew he needed me. And I needed him too. Loyalty and love are the best things of all. I was a good dog, a boss dog. I knew that loving people was my ultimate purpose, and that being here, now, loving them forever, was my reward.
Way to go, boss dog!
Miss you too.
They say dogs can't see color.
Okay.
Apparently neither could Denny. I want you to remember you're a great dog, Marley. You're a great dog.
Good boy. Good boy, Bailey.